In front of me is LENOVO Tab M11, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Accounts and Sync. Then click on Google under Passwords and tap on any password that you wish to delete. Following that, just enter your current screen lock and click on Delete button next to the Edit one. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!